all honesty, Rubicon's pretty much everything to the business at the end of the day, because I tell people without ERP, nothing happens. So if ERP is down, we don't ship, we don't get paid, we can't pay people. So Rubicon's everything at the end of the day, and it helped us grow quite a bit, because it was good thing about Rubicon is extremely customizable. Rubicon really work with us every time we ask them to do some customization for us, whether it's API calls or whatever the case might be. So it helps us grow quite a bit. Good thing about Rubicon is they actually know the business more than we know the business, because they've been doing this for a long time. So I said, hey, this is what we're trying to do. Oh yeah, by the way, we have a couple of other customers dealing with the same exact problem, so they help us out with it quite a bit. I mean, we love Rubicon. It's customizable. They know the industry. They can help you out with it. They have dealt with the same problem with somebody else, and we have good interaction with our, your developers. So it's a great company to work with.